Hey, this is Jim Cardoza with GPRS here. Got a scenario. You are going to be installing a pool in your backyard. You are going to be maybe installing French drains along your property like we do have in Houston because of flooding. What is your first line of defense? You know, A11 will only go so far. They might mark out the lines up to your property boundary. They might mark up the lines within their easement. But what about the lines that are running through the middle of your property, the middle of your backyard, your front yard, your sewer lines? Who are you going to call? You know, you could call a plumber, you could call 811. They're not going to do as extensive or as thorough as a job as your local GPRS technician. And for a fraction of the price, we can help keep you and your family, you and your clients safe by ensuring that there's no line strikes on any of your property. Whether that's a sewer line, an electric line, a gas line, a water line, a fiber line, you name it. GPRS will find everything, and we guarantee our work, and we will help your projects move forward and your clients and your families and your company safe. So give your local GPRS tech a call, and even if your site is, even if your site is supposedly clear, you never know. Old parts of town always have old things, and you can never be sure of what is in or what is not inside the ground. So give your local GPRS tech a call, and we'll see you soon.